Hi, everybody. Well, we are out in the forest again, and we're just continuing on. It's just a giant project that keeps on going. So, little by little, raccoon is out there. So, let me turn you around and show you. So, this is the area we've been cleaning up. Looks pretty good, but we've got all that up there, and basically, we're trying to get this path from where he is up to there cleared out. So, we're just starting today, going little by little, and enjoying the cool weather while we're doing it. So, it might be hard to see on camera, but that's a giant tree down up there. And all of this is just, we call it log cabining. It's just all smacked together. You can see another tree broken there. And another one there. And there's our backyard down there. And there's Raccoony. So, anyway, so yeah, this is what we're working on. Just trying to clear this fire path because the last thing we want is fire danger. Oh, I just noticed if you look way up there where my pinky is, there's another tree down up there too. It's so sunny over here now. It's crazy. Yeah, so let's work on this a little bit. So when I say log cabining, this is what I mean. Just, you know, the corners, the edges of a log cabin, all the logs slammed together one after another on top of each other, and you can see like just even getting up here, it's like 5-6 layers deep in some places, maybe even more up there. So that's why it's very dangerous just to even walk up here. Just sharing you. Trying to put the camera up here so you guys can see, but look at that one. That one's just stabbed in the ground. That's like a 2.5 inch piece stabbed in the ground. You can see here, there's where the tree top is. Just broke off. Just look at that. Just slam. Just broke off. It's pretty amazing. So I think I'm going to work here for a little bit. Alright, so I don't know if you can tell, but the stick pile is growing, the path is clearing, and the kindling pile is growing as well. So we're getting there slowly, and feeling good. Alright, there you go. About 2.5 hours for us out here, so that's 5 hours total. The sun's starting to go down. You can see the stripes, so it looks nice. Alright guys, I'm Robert Jones, that's Raccoon over there. I hope you guys are well, and like and subscribe. Bye! And because you just never know what kind of treasures you're going to find in the garden, a piece of pipe and a light bulb.